Welcome back to another episode of Mr. J's Workshop. This week we're doing another makeover on aircraft placards. We're going to be using a new material for this, and what we call it is reversible laser engraving. So we have this material here, which is a high impact acrylic. We'll be lasering the back side of this. And the primary color on this one is gray, but when we laser engrave it, we'll have the option of either color filling it to our desired color, or you can backlight it. So for this application, we're just going to color fill the lettering in white. The finished product on this will look like this, which really comes out nice. It pops. Compared to what it used to look like. Here's a side-by-side comparison. So when I first got it, it was done with a label maker. Label makers are great for a lot of things, but I really don't think they're the ideal scenario for aircraft placards. But these aircraft placards, in time, they yellowed, they start peeling, they got dirty, so we're going to replace these plastic label maker markings with this overlay that we just made. So the settings we're going to be using in our machine today, I have a 50-watt laser. So it's going to be DPI of 600, a speed of 50%, and a power of 20% for the engraving. Now for the cutting, which we call vectoring, the speed will be 20%. And a power setting of 70%. Some people may have to do 2 passes for this. Now that the acrylic is engraved and cut, I can use a microfiber and denatured alcohol to clean the acrylic. The final step, we backfill the color using acrylic paint, which you can purchase at any hobby store. The only thing left now to do is peel away the protective plastic that's on the other side, and now this is ready to be mounted on the panel. Well, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful or interesting, give us a thumbs up, comment below, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.